In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to multiple recipients in Gmail. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. You can do this in your web browser on a computer or in the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in your inbox, you're ready to start a new message. Next, click Compose. On desktop, you'll find the Compose button toward the top left of the screen. On mobile, look for the plus or pencil icon. This opens a new message window, and your cursor will be in the To field, which is where you'll enter the people you want to email. In the To field, type the first email address. As you start typing, Gmail may suggest contacts you've emailed before. If you see the correct one, select it to save time. Make sure the address looks right. Even one missing character can prevent delivery. After the first address, add a comma, then type the next email address. The comma is what tells Gmail that one address has ended and another is beginning. You can continue typing smoothly, and Gmail will separate each address as you go. If you accidentally include a space in the wrong place or make a typo, just click the address to edit it before sending. Repeat this process for all the email addresses you want to include. Keep in mind that everyone listed in the To field will be able to see the other recipients. If you're writing to a group that doesn't know each other, or you want to keep the list private, you might consider using a different field like blind carbon copy in other situations. But for now, we're focusing on the To field. Take a moment to review the list and make sure every address is correct. Now it's time to write your message. Start with a clear, concise subject line so recipients immediately understand what your email is about. In the message body, greet the group in a way that fits the situation. Keep your main point near the top, and include any details or links they need. Since multiple people are reading, be specific about any actions or deadlines and use short paragraphs to make it easy to scan. Before sending, proofread for clarity and tone. When everything looks good, click Send. Gmail will deliver the message to each address you entered. If any address is invalid, you may receive a bounce back notification so you can correct it and resend. That's it. You've successfully sent an email to multiple recipients in Gmail using commas to separate each address. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.